This here is a 2025 Mercedes-Benz C300. Trent here with Mercedes-Benz of the Woodlands. Enjoy the video. Check it out. Polar white exterior paint color. LED headlights. Classy rims, 18-inch multi-spoke wheels. Rear wheel drive. Producing 255 horsepower with a 2-liter inline-4 engine. Turbocharged. Macchiato beige. Interior. Panoramic sunroof with a black headliner. Silver diamond pattern. Trim. The updated Mercedes interior for the C300 C-Class for 2025. Wireless Apple CarPlay introduced this year, 2025. Hope you enjoy the quick rundown. 2025 Mercedes-Benz C300 C-Class Sedan. Available today, Mercedes-Benz of the Woodlands.